Alright, rise and grind, good people, man. I'm back at y'all with another quick video with the Pull-Up King. This video, I got a 96 Ford Crown Victoria 4.6. I'm gonna be doing the water pump on it. This thing is shot. Need more than the water pump, but that's what we're starting with today. It's loose. Go ahead and knock that out.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Alright, that's the driver's side right there. That's the drain plug for the coolant. Drain all the coolant out before you start the job. You normally got to get it from below, but as you can see, this fan is the shroud is gone. So alright, so first we got to get this belt off. In order to get that belt off, we got to put a 1/2-inch drive in there. Turn that counterclockwise and loosen the tension. Alright, so of course they have tools for this, but this is how I'm doing it. And just get it like that and push it forward. Now that I got my belt out the way, this is how I keep the pulley still, and I use my wrench to break it. That's my setup. So the goal is to keep, because it's gonna spin pretty much like this. The whole thing, the whole pulley is gonna spin. So now I can keep this still. I'm gonna hold it steady and then press that to the left, get it off. Alright, so what I did, I came over to the passenger side like this here, and I sat that on that pulley, and I just took it both hands and pried it to the left. Boom. Now we got it loose. Yeah, this is shot. No reason, no need to put that back on there. So toe up. Gotta replace it. There's no other choice. Alright, so next, got 4 bolts, 10 mil in the front on that pulley. Well, I got this tool right here. This is a little automatic drill. Now, without it, you would need to loosen these bolts up like with a 10mm wrench. Get up in there and behind the fan before you take off everything, or before you take off the belt, matter of fact, because that belt gonna hold it tight, hold this pulley so it won't move. You know, see what I'm saying? So then you'll be able to, when you take off everything, you'll get to this point and the pulley, the bolts will be loose already, and you'll be able to take off the pulley with no problem. Alright, next we got 13mm bolts. 1, 2, 3. 4. Alright. That's all 4 right there. They all the same size. Yes, sir. Nice shot, boy. I clean all that up out of there before we install the new one. Alright, we matching up. Let's see the difference. Got that jiggle in that. That one tight. Nice and smooth. Clean this out, man. Some brake cleaner. Spray it up. Got our gasket, gonna install it. Alright, before you install, you want to lubricate that gasket. So, see, I got a little lubrication on it. I just put a little oil on it, just like you do an oil filter. Yeah. From here, it's just reverse order. Tighten everything up, get the bolts in. Take that broken belt out. Install a new one. And next, we're gonna get these pulley bolts back in, tighten them down, put the belt on, and that is all to it, man. Fairly easy job, straightforward. And if you're liking the content, man, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell for me, man. I'll let y'all next video. The Pull-Up King.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.